The Curious Kiddos by kids for kids. How to make custard pudding. Let's start today's recipe, making custard pudding. It is really simple and tastes delicious. Let's start with our ingredients. Here we have some strawberry, some pomegranate, and some finely chopped mangoes. We also have some homemade brownie and frozen custard, which is shaped in a heart. Side by side, we also have some liquid custard, which we're going to use in our custard pudding. I am going to make mine in this ice cream bowl. First, we're going to pour some of the liquid custard into our ice cream bowl. You could put as much as you want or as little as you want. It depends on you. I like to make mine so it mixes in with all the other ingredients. Custard tastes great alone even. You could find another video on how to make it. This custard is vanilla flavored. This is how much I'm going to put in mine. Next, we're going to use our homemade brownie. As you can see, this brownie is shaped in a heart by a cookie cutter. I'm going to place mine up. Next, we're going to add our toppings. Here, I'm adding some strawberry. You could add many different types of fruits. You can add apples, bananas, and even grapes. I love fruits, so mine will be adding more fruits. Next, I'm going to add some pomegranate. There's lots of different things you could add in this. You could also add ice cream and different toppings like sprinkles, but I am a fruit lover, so I'm going to add other fruits. Now I'm adding mango. You could add as much as you want. I'll be adding a few spoons of each of these fruits. It tastes great when mixed and even alone. This custard pudding is going to be great. Last but not least, we're going to add our frozen custard. This is shaped into a heart. As I have a heart tray, you could also do it in a simple cube one. This finishes up our custard pudding. Wow, it looks so delicious and it'll taste even better. Remember, you could put other things you want too, like sprinkles or chocolates. You could even add different flavors of ice cream. It is totally up to you. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.